Aritumpa. To Flores. Flores to Castro. Lost ball. Ugoy. Ugoy. Toledo for 3. Wala. Di pa may Bautista. Miran. Easy 2 points by Miran. Castro to Flores. Flores. Pasok kay Hilo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ugoy. 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 Wala pa rin. Rebound by Miran. Bautista. Dari Tumba. Easy 2 points by Hilo. Ugoy. Steal by Ugoy. Ugoy. Sekarang Putri. Wala. Rebound by. Steal by Tumba. Flores. Easy 2 points by Flores. Miran. Ke Bautista. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Hilo. White ball. Hilo. 2 points by Hilo. 35. Iba rin Hilo. To Castro. Miran to Ugoy. Easy 2 points by Mr. Ugoy. Aritumba to Flores. Wow. Jersey number 12. Mr. First personal foul, first team foul. Official score 4-6. Favor of Justin. Time remaining 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Bautista to Ugoy. Putri. Wala. Toledo pa rin. Wala. Castro. Easy 2 points. Flores. 5-8 in favor of Castro. Toledo. Wala. Rebound by Castro. Shoot ka sa naging panog. Miran. 3. Wala. Hilo. Good point. Ugoy Tumigoy. Easy 2 points by Iran. Hilo, to Castro. Back to Hilo. Hilo. Flores. Easy 2 points by Iran. Ugoy. Putol Neto. Head to shoot. Wala. Neto.
Ayun! Natin. Din.
Castro para Tumba. Head to shoot. Hello. Wala. Jersey number 24. That's the first personal foul. First team foul. Flores, wala. Iwan kay Suleto. Lipon. Suleto. Bautista wala. 3 points by Bautista. All 12. Hilo, si Flores. Wala, rebound by Alvis. Bautista. Wala, rebound by Ninoy. Ugoy. Still by Flores. Tuloy lang. No. Hilo. Ugoy. Wala. Rebound by Hilo by Tumba. Tumba. Easy 2 points by Tumba. 5 remaining, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Rebound para Tumba. Tumba. Hilo. Time remaining 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 12-16 in favor of the Castles. By Ugoy. To go. Easy 2 point by Arituba. Head to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Flores. Flores. Wala. Rebound by Ugoy. Ugoy. Iyak. Wala. Rebound by Castro. In favor of the Castles. Still by Hilo. Hilo. Good boy. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Still by Castro. Tuilo. Tuilo, ang tuba, Tuilo. 2 points by jersey number 25. No. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Leno. Wala. Tulo by Castro. Still by Bautista. Tuloy. Wala. Ibang by Bautista. Good point. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. No. Still by Noy. 15 seconds. Ten to shoot. 40 seconds. 38 seconds. Thirty-five. Hilo, wala. Rebound by Castro. Wala pa rin. Rebound by 20 seconds. 10 shoot. Wala. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Hello. Tibay. Laba, Bugi. Wala. Castro to save ball. Bangkos. Still by Bob. Tibay. Ugoy. Easy corner by Ugoy. Tibay.
Mamaya mapainit na naman.
Ikon pa naman din yan.
Ah?
Ikon.
Oh, kaya nga mamaya mapainit na naman. Nakahapon siya din yung ganyan.
Castro to Rakusan. Wala. Larat. Easy 2 points for Larat. Tibay to Castro to black ball. Official score 21-24 in favor of Big Tassi. Unggoy. Wala. Rebound na rin. Unggoy. Wala. Yung kay Alves. Wala pa rin. Rebound na yung Kapusan. Steal by Alves. Wala. Pasakay back to Gakusan. Is the 2 points by Gakusan. Lama to Miran. Wala. Lima by Gardini. Castro, harassing by Miran. To Gakusan. To 3. Wala. Rebound by Laba. 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 Foul. Jersey number 8. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Foul. Jersey number 1. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Tibay. 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 Wala. Nagtingin to Castro. For 3. Wala. Tibay. Alvis. Foul. Jersey number 8. That's your second personal foul, second team foul. Ang may upang bangus. Ibabay na tingit. Tubang. Bang. Gapusan. Gapusan. Easy 2 points by Gapusan. Laba. Alvis. For 3. Wala. Iwan pa lang tingin. Tingin to Castro. 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 Okay. Alvis. Ugoy. Ugoy. Gerard. Easy 2 points by Gerard. Still by Laba. Laba for 3. Wala. Iwan pa yung Bab. Bab to Castro. Castro. Gapusan. Wow. Jersey number 12, pushing foul. That's your first personal foul, third team foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Pasok. Geran, wala. Di ba ulit, Geran, wala pa rin. Di ba may Castro. Foul. Jersey number 24, Geran. That's your second personal foul, warning for 10. Tibay. Castro. Wala ball. Laba si Ugoy. 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 10 to shoot. For 3. Wala. Lima may Bob. Castro. Castro. Pasakit Tibay. Tibay. May step Tibay. Wala. Laba. Laba. Run. 2 points. Official score 35 to 89 in favor of the Classics. Bagus, respect, wala pa rin. Wala. Magmamahal sa bagus na anak. Ugoy. Ugoy to Alex. 2 points by Alex.
Ading. Ading.
Tibay na kasi by Alex. Tibay, tibay. Kusan. Wala. Wala by Ugoy.
Talo pa itong mga to. Sina.
Ugoy.
Wala. Mukat mat ila.
Wala.
Nilalaro na yun.
Time to shoot. Alvis. Wala. Iwan kay Gerard. Gerard. Pasok. All 29.
Ading.
Pasok. Tibay. 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 Alvis. Tibay. 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 Itu mengasah Tibay. Gerard. Wala. Di babay. Ugoy.
Ading. Ading.
All 29. Castro. Layup easy 2 points by jersey number 21. Alvis. Bulan ko yan. Nagdingit. Tubakusan, tubakusan. Tubakusan for 3. Wala. Ibang balik. Islama. Islama. Layup. Wala. Ibang balik. Islama ulit. Islama. 2 points. Nagdingit. Still by Ugoy. 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 Foul. Jersey number 21. Castro. That's your first personal foul. 13 fouls. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Iwan na ng tingin. Yakusan. 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 Layup. Easy 2 points by Yakusan. Alvis. Alvis. Doing something. Alvis to Ugoy. Ugoy to 3.
Mamaya na pikon.
Tibay. Tibay. Layup.
Mamaya na pikon.
Jersey number 8. Layla. Wala. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Play ball. Yakusan, forming the ball, mga tingin. Tingin. Tibay. Tibay. Time to shoot. Marco, wala. Alibag by Alvis. Play ball. Nandigi. Yakusan. Tibay. For 3. Wala. Pasa pala yun. Time remaining 58 seconds. Ugoy. Ugoy. Sit back 3. Wala. Di mo palating. 45 seconds. Tibay. Tibay. False foul rep. Jersey number 17. That's your first personal foul penalty. Tibay. Thirty-nine seconds.
Tagal mo mula. Dito, ulit mo na tayo.
Ibang by Castro. Tibay. 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 Easy to rise by Tibay. Over City ah. 16 seconds. Tibay. 15 seconds.
Ay, pupunta kayo? Oo.
10 seconds.
Ay, nag-overtime siya. Tapos,
7 seconds. 5 seconds. Two, walang tingin. Ito.
Oo nga.
That's your first personal foul, first team foul.
Sige, ganyan ka lang. Oh.
Flores. Wala. Foul. Jersey number 5, Paljada. That's your first personal foul, first
Uy,
team
kailan
foul.
kita ineme? Sige.
Pista. Wala.
sino ang papamili niya natin?
Nicole may 2 points. Tumba. Tumba. Castro. Wala ka rin. Libong by Flores. Castro. Wala ka rin. Libong by Castro ulit. Castro. Wala ka rin. Tumba. Nada. Pista con Toledo. Toledo. Wala. Libong by Islava. Islava. White ball. 38-37. Favor of Pedro. Ten to shoot. Still ball. Black ball. Flores. Flores. To Paljada. Paljada. To Magasa. Paljada. To Castro. Easy 2 points by Castro. Jersey number 14. Bautista. Abrasi by Flores. Bautista. Wala. White ball. Flores. 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 2 points by Flores. 2 points by Castro. Wala. Flores. Pagkada. Pagkada wala. Penedo. Pagkada. 2 points. Forty-one, 45 in favor of Big Castro. Castro. Pagkada, pagkada. Wala. Wala, ball. Laba. Laba. Boy. Easy 2 points by the boy. Pagkada. Wow. Jersey number 22, Quinto. Natumba. 2 points. 47, 43 in favor of Cassie. Okay. Wow. Jersey number 19, coaching foul. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Kulit. Wala. Offensive foul. Agis. Ibang by Flores.
Jalin. 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 Jalin.
Phil by Agis. Wala. Ibang by Castro. 15 seconds. Wala. Flores.
Low.
2 points.
Wala.
Ayusin yung panay. Ayusin yung panay.
2 points.
Ay, Jani! Jani! Ang galing mo siya po, Kuya Jen.
Maran. Michael Flores, Maran. Ano ito ba? 3. Ugoy. 52-48. Black ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Dapat ito Ugoy. Ugoy. 2 points by Ugoy. 52-50. Flores, Torres, Tukba. Ano Tukba, Tom Flores. Flores. Foul. Number 24. Jersey number 24 warning for disqualification. Alvin. Ugoy, Ugoy. Ugoy, 2 points. Still by Alvin. Alvis. Tumba to Castro. 2 points.
Uy, umalis ka dyan.
Ugoy. Ugoy. Wala. Castro.
Kanina nga pinag
Lores.
Daya. Ay!
Iba pa yung Flores. 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 Flores.
Walang 1 point din ah. Puros 2 points yan.
2 points by Alvis.
Ang alam din niya doon.
Time remaining 55 seconds.
Batik na.
56-54.
Uy, umalis ka dyan.
Jersey number 17. That's your second personal foul, warning for penalty. From 44 seconds. Ugoy, harassing ng Flores. Digoy. Ugoy. All 20 seconds. Flores. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Receive 2 points by Castro number 21.
Buti lumabas si Kuya Jis. Buti na
And the shoot. Correct. Castro.
First place.
Save ball. Castro. Wala pa rin. Ugoy. Ugoy. Foul. First league, number 1. That's your first personal foul, first team foul.
Bayo ano?
Time to shoot.
Sino yung pumasok?
19, Boy.
Sino yung pumasok?
That's your second personal foul, first team foul. Castro, wala pa rin. Hilo, wala. Ang tumba, wala pa rin. Flores to Hilo. Litumba. Rebound by Alvis. Foul. Jersey number 17, Alvis. That's your third personal foul, second team foul. Nagtingin, 2 points. Uy, still by Hilo. Hilo to Flores. Flores. They have easy 2 points by Flores. Flores. Foul. Jersey number 14. 68-63. Three points by Lava. Alvis. 2 points. All 68. All 68. Wow, counted. Jersey number
70 na, 70 na. 70, 70.
For disqualification. 70-68.
Isa D.
Remaining 6 minutes and 6 seconds.
61, 61. Ay, 71.
71, 68.
73.
73, 68. Flores, Flores. 2 points again kay Flores. 75, 68. Black ball. Time remaining, last 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Lebron for 3, wala. Rebound by Lantingin, Trilo. Hilo. Hilo kay Aritumba. 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 Easy 2 points by Aritumba.
Sarap.
Langgo. 3 points na mga Vice Daba. 71, 77 in favor of Italy. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Time to shoot. Yan. Derecho. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Flores. Flores to Hilo. Hilo. Easy 2 points by Hilo. Wow. Jersey number 19. Black foul. That's your third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Time to shoot. Ang tumba.
Ay, ano ba buko pa? Hindi para.
Flores. Easy 2 points by Flores. Yaran. Kill by Hilo. Hilo. 2 points. Kilulit by Flores. Flores.
Flores again.
To Castro. Castro, the big man. Good luck.
Nagpapil ka.
21 minutes and 20 seconds. Hello. Castro, layup. Pinali pa sa ere.
Bulak Kevin, bulak Kevin.
27-71. Foul. Jersey number 11. Gerak out. Two points by Japan.
Doon. Meron ano ya? Meron.
Satu susunod. Gerak out. Hindi to.
Paksakan Lara kasi.
Below. Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 17. 17. Jersey number 17. Radway. Sige. 87-73. 73. 73. Hilo. Wala. Rebound by Yakusan. Yakusan. 2 points by Yakusan. Ugoy. 89-73. Shot by Martinez. Flores. Para si Banitoy. Tugakusan. Wala. Rebound by Martinez. Martinez Tugakusan. 2 points by Yakusan. Every minute, last 2 minutes in fourth.
Lava. Lava driving the ball.
Lava. Lava steal by Yakusan to Flores. Every minute, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Below to Castro. 93-73. Ugoy.
Ugoy
3. Wala. Rebound by Latin. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Drive.
Last 1 minute. Time to shoot. Foul. Jersey number 19, Doy. That's your fourth personal foul. Flores. 1 point by Flores. Last 50 seconds. Last 45 seconds.
3 points bro.
3 points.
10 to shoot. 30 seconds.
Nakaw go. Okay number.
20 seconds.
Talo na.